Is FFmpeg pathing failed due to the swscale-4 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for swscale-4 library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the swscale-4 library, the FFmpeg Software Scaling library, v4. It manages localized unmanaged image resizing and colorspace conversion, YUV to RGB, essential for localized video playback and transcoding routines. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since swscale-4 library DLL is an application-specific dependency for FFmpeg, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the swscale-4 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr space /r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Warning: swscale-4 library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry clutter or swscale-4 library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing swscale-4 library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.